AcuPro Academy. I'm Clara Cohen, and my goal is to empower every practitioner to get amazing results for their patients using Chinese medicine. Today, as you can see, I'm outside. It's a beautiful fall day, my favorite season. And with fall comes always the same common questions from patients, which is, Clara, should I get the flu shot this year? They will have to make their own informed decision. I cannot make that choice for them. But if they choose not to get it, Chinese medicine has a great answer to the flu shot. Safe, naturally, it's a classic formula called Ping Feng San. Yep, I know, I cannot pronounce Mandarin for the life of me. I can barely speak English for that matter anyway. So here it is for you, much easier and much easier for me. So Ping Feng San, loosely it would be translated as the jade windscreen powder. The jade windscreen powder. So in that title, there is the jade component. In ancient time, they used to make coffins out of jade because they believed it was so strong, so thick, that it would protect and preserve the body and the soul of the person for eternity. So you understand that if it's a jade windscreen powder, this formula is going to protect and preserve and make sure we have a barrier against invaders. The windscreen part of the title refers to external pathogen wind. As you know, external wind enters the body through the back or the head, mostly the young part of us. And it always brings a friend. Heat, cold, damp, cold, likes to crash the party with other people. So when we're sick, let's say we have a common cold, it's usually invasion of external pathogen when cold, when heat, or if we're really congested, when damp cold, or maybe when damp heat if there's a lot of sore throat. So this formula is a screen to stop wind from invading us, bringing us friends, and crashing the party and making us sick. So you understand this is a great formula to strengthen the defensive qi, the wei qi, and in Western term, the immune system. Ping Feng San only has 3 herbs: Huangqi, Baiju, and Feng Feng. But those 3 herbs together, is that three? Those 3 herbs together make for a formidable powerhouse of a formula. The best time to take this formula would be in the fall, right now, at the end of September, beginning of October, for about 3 weeks to a month. You are the practitioner, you're going to have to decide the dosage and how long your patient, each individually, would have to take it. Of course, it depends on their health, their age, their constitution. Everything that you know about them will make you decide for the prescription. Little sidebar, if you're watching this video and you're not a practitioner, please don't self-treat. Look for a qualified person in your area. You'll be so much better for it. Sidebar closed. So Ping Feng San is going to get us to fight winter head on and really get us prepared for it. That's your answer to the flu shot in Chinese medicine. I hope that was useful. That's it. As always, you and I, let's keep making a difference by changing lives one patient at a time. Have a fantastic day and keep rocking it using TCM.